Hi, this is Lydia. Welcome home. Let's unwind and let go of the day. Begin with a comfortable lying down position and close your eyes if that feels good. Allow your body to sink into the support beneath you. And from here, let's take a deep breath in and exhale with a loud sigh. Deep breath in and a loud sigh out. Breathing in deeply, letting go slowly. Whatever happened today, the busyness, challenges, or joyful moments, allow yourself to acknowledge all of them with gentle compassion. Say silently to yourself, "I've done enough. Now is my time to rest." Slowly bring awareness to your body, starting at the top of your head. Slowly scan down, and wherever awareness goes, relax and soften that part of the body. Allow your forehead to relax, the muscles around your eyes to soften, letting go of any tightness in the jaw, dropping your shoulders, allowing the chest to rise and fall on its own, and let your belly soften. Let your hips feel open and loose, softening and relaxing the whole leg. Notice your body from the crown of the head all the way down to the toes. Notice if there's still any tension or lingering tightness. And if there are, bring your awareness and attention there. And bring your breath there. With every inhale, invite lightness and calm. With every exhale, release any tightness or stress. Little by little, feel the weight of the day melt away. Feel your body fully supported, completely safe. Find your mind becoming quiet and at ease. And at the next inhale, bring attention to your heart. Quietly reflect on the day and come up with 3 things that you feel most grateful for today. Offer yourself gratitude for all that you've done, all the big and small efforts, for simply being there for yourself for showing up. Stay here and allow gratitude and a sense of calm, warmth, and acceptance to fill your whole being. Inhale, inviting peace. Exhale, letting go of the day completely. Thank you for practicing with me. This is Lydia. May you relax fully and enjoy a deep and nourishing sleep. Good night.